Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your leadership style with Tesla. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Resetting your leadership style is crucial in today's fast-paced environment. Begin by assessing your current leadership approach. Identify areas where you feel disconnected from your team. Look for signs of disengagement or low morale. Next, research Tesla's leadership principles. Study how Tesla's leaders, like Elon Musk, foster innovation and accountability. Reflect on their focus on continuous improvement and adaptability. Consider how these principles align with your core values. Engage with your team to gather feedback on your style. Create an open environment for honest communication. Host a team meeting to discuss leadership expectations. Encourage your team to share experiences about past leadership styles. Analyze the feedback critically to identify patterns. Set specific, measurable goals to implement change. Begin incorporating Tesla's emphasis on vision and mission clarity. Communicate your new direction to your team passionately. Adopt a more hands-on approach to mentorship and collaboration. Foster a culture of experimentation and risk-taking. Regularly check in with your team for ongoing feedback. Celebrate small wins to build momentum in this transition. Reflect on your progress frequently, adapting your style as necessary. Position yourself as a role model for the leadership changes you embrace. Incorporate continuous learning and development opportunities for both yourself and your team. Reassess your leadership style periodically to ensure alignment with your team's needs. By following these steps, you can effectively reset your leadership style using Tesla as a guiding framework. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.